Space exploration is taking its next big step. With major players back in game, the space race is revived, this time with the aim for human space flights to the orbit, the moon and the ultimate goal, Mars. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the new age of space exploration. This is Question Mark Channel and welcome to Destination Space. Hey guys, welcome to the Question Mark Channel. With our discussion on Explorer 1 concluding in the last episode, today we focus on a mission that arguably changed the face of science and engineering forever. Today, we will be taking a look at the Vostok 1 mission, the program that put the first man in the orbit. Let's discuss the background. The space race between the Soviet Union and the United States, the two Cold War superpowers, began just before the Soviet Union launched the world's first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, in 1957. Both countries wanted to develop spaceflight technology quickly, particularly by launching the first successful human spaceflight. The Soviet Union secretly pursued the Vostok program in competition with the United States Project Mercury, which we will discuss in the next video, so do consider subscribing so you won't miss it. Vostok 1 launched several precursor uncrewed missions between May 6, 1960 and March 1961 to test and develop the Vostok rocket family and space capsule. These missions had varied degrees of success, but the final two, Korabl Sputnik 4 and Korabl Sputnik 5, were complete successes, allowing the first crewed flight. Vostok 1 would become the first spacecraft of the Vostok family, carrying the Vostok 3Ka with cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin aboard to space. The rocket was launched from the legendary Baikonur Cosmodrome on 12 April 1961. This mission made Yuri Gagarin the first human to go into outer space. The orbital spaceflight consisted of a single orbit around Earth, which skimmed the upper atmosphere at 169 km at its lowest point. The flight took 108 minutes from launch to landing. Gagarin parachuted to the ground separately from his capsule after ejecting at 7 km altitude. Gagarin's flight was announced while Gagarin was still in orbit by Yuri Levitin, the leading Soviet radio personality since the 1930s. Although news of Soviet rocket launches would normally be aired after the fact, Sergei Korolev wrote a note to Party Central Committee to convince them that the announcement should be made as early as possible. Even the United States of America congratulated their Cold War rivals for this massive accomplishment, though the people of America had mixed feelings about the Vostok 1 launch. Famously, Adlai Stevenson, the then US ambassador to the United Nations, was quoted as saying, "Now that the Soviet scientists have put a man into space and brought him back alive, I hope they will also help to bring the United Nations back alive." And on a more serious note, urged international arguments covering the use of space, which did not occur until the Outer Space Treaty of 1967. Soon, USA would launch its Mercury program, and Russia worked on the Vostok program and the following Voshchod program, but these are topics for other videos. Vostok 1 was and will always remain one of the most important undertaking for mankind, because it was the mission that proved the world that humans are capable and ready to explore the cosmos by actually going there. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and do consider subscribing for more interesting content like this. Thank you.